Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3 and we will explain the material about the modal auxiliary and will explain by me Pujame Prasasti and happy watching. Modal auxiliary. A modal auxiliary is a group of auxiliary words that are part of an auxiliary that add meaning to a sentence. Auxiliary modalities include present tense, can, may, shall, must, need, ought to, and dare. Past tense, could, might, shall, and would. Rules for using the modal auxiliary. 1. The verb cannot be added with as or as if there is a modal auxiliary. For example, he can make a fruit cake is a false. He can make a fruit cake. It's true. And Katie must go to her office right now. False. And Katie must go to her office right now. It's true. Number 2. Between the modal auxiliary and the verb should not be connected with to. Example, they can to take this paper to that room. This false. And they can take this paper to that room. Is true. Number 3. If the modal auxiliary is the past tense, the verb to be used must be the infinitive. For example, they could sing at the karaoke until midnight. This false. And they could sing at the karaoke until midnight. This true. 4. An interrogative sentence is formed by placing a modal auxiliary in front of the sentence. Example, can your father speak English well? And could you contact him last night? 5. A denying sentence or negative sentence is formed by adding a note after the modal auxiliary. Would, must, can, need, could, should, with not often written in short form or contraction form, namely should, can, could, must, would, and need. Example, will and would are usual abbreviated as will and she'll call him back after dinner. It shall not and will not be written in short form. It will be shown and won't. Mother won't give the money unless you pay her to give you some money. Mother shan't give the money unless you beg her to give you some money. If can and not are not written and is in a short form or contraction form, cannot be made into one word, namely cannot. To form a question tag, a modal auxiliary is placed at the back of the sentence. For example, Jessica can study the maths, can see, and you could see him last night, couldn't you? Okay, thank you. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.